What's up, Ankr Coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Ankr Coin. So, what's going on in the Ankr Coin? This is the good news video for all Ankr Coin holders, because now in this time, if you look the price changes of the Ankr Coin, so in this time, the changes is going positive in the Ankr Coin. You can see here the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price change in the Ankr Coin is positive, my friends. Personally, at this time, I'm feeling very good about the Ankr Coin, that the changes is going positive in the Ankr Coin. I'm very happy. Personally, my friends, I'm very happy today about Ankr Coin. And tell me in the comment box, my friends. Tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Ankr Coin? Absolutely, I'm feeling good, and I hope you're also feeling good about Ankr Coin, because the changes is positive, and if the changes is positive, that's mean that the price is increasing, and if the price is increasing, so that's mean that you're in the profit. Now at this time, the latest price of the Ankr Coin is 0.078902 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price update of the Ankr Coin. And let me show you further more details about Ankr Coin. Oh my goodness, my friend, that is the 3-month price chart of the Ankr Coin. In the previous 3 months, from the previous 3 months, the price of Ankr Coin is completely fast down. But now in the end of June, the Ankr Coin start pumping. Ankr Coin price is ready to explode. So that's a good news, and absolutely after a great fast, the Ankr Coin start pumping. So they will continue this pump for long term, for 1 month, for 2 weeks, and maybe for 1 month, my friends. To the last of July, they continue this pump. So absolutely, please hold if you want profit. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for updates and news videos.